Well, hello, Austin here. You know, we were just got out of a plane crash. We were flying from Mexico to Florida, and we ended up in Alaska. I think we might have taken the wrong plane, but I think I was the only one to survive. But wait a minute, Gideon? Ew. I think he's sleeping. Let's see. He looks so comfortable and so peaceful. Here, I think we should tuck him in, you know. That way he doesn't get cold out here, because this is Alaska after all. Much better. Alright, let's see. Might as well look for some supplies while I'm still here, you know. Oh, look, a backpack. Looks like Gideon's backpack. Let's see what we got inside here. Might need that. Swim trunks? Don't think I'll need those. Alright, let's go.
Hey guys, Gideon here. I hope you're all doing well, because frankly I'm not. I was just in a plane wreck. Me and Austin were flying from New Mexico to Florida, and we crash landed in Alaska. I don't know what happened there, but I think I'm the only survivor. Everyone else is dead. There's no sign of Austin, so you know, things are looking pretty bad. The only thing I was able to salvage is a pair of swimming trunks, and I don't know what I will do with these, but you never know. It's survival. I'll take anything I can get. So for now, Gideon, signing off.
Well, I guess I'm going to need a weapon to survive in this place, so let's see what I can come up with. Shall we? Give me a minute. There we go. I think I did a pretty good job. It's a little, I don't know. I guess we'll see how it works. I don't know, we'll see.
Hey guys, day 2. I was just mauled by a bear. Some crazy bear just came out of nowhere and mauled me, and I think I broke my foot. I don't know if you guys can see that real good, but it doesn't look good. I can't feel my toes or my ankles or anything. We have to get to the hospital here pretty soon. Do they have hospitals out here, I wonder?
Nature is so beautiful. Just look at this area here. So beautiful. I saw a pretty good bear earlier. It was chasing a prey animal. Huh. Don't know what that is, but oh, I think I might have got it. Huh. Oh well. Good for the bear, I guess.
My broken foot is turning green. I think something's wrong with it, but I'm not sure what yet. Anyways, I'm getting really hungry. I haven't eaten in a while, so I guess now I'm gonna go foraging for food. I'll see you guys later.
Hey guys, Austin here. Day 12, just looking for some rabbits, you know. Maybe we'll find something to shoot at you. Oh, zombie! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, just shot a zombie. Oh, I just saved the world from a zombie apocalypse. Whew. Good job.
Hey guys, day 12. Still haven't anything to eat except snow, and it's really wearing on me. You know, is that a human? Oh! I think I've been shot. Angry human. Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here.
So hello everybody. I am back, and I just wanted to Did you hear that? Anyways, that's not important. I am here again, as usual. I have done very well these past couple of days. I have found food every day. And I don't know if it's just skill or luck, but it's working out pretty well for me. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, and talk to you later.
Hey guys, it's day... I've lost count. I just fell off a cliff. Stupid thing to do. But besides that, my foot's still broken. I'm still shot in the gut. You can see my little pink innards. And, I haven't eaten at all. I think I'm gonna die. At least Austin went out nice and easy in the plane. Boom. And he was gone. Gideon signing out.
Hey, it's Austin again. Just wanted to kind of talk about how I've been doing about here. It's nature is just a really nice place to be. I'm happy to be here, and it's just a beautiful place. And even if I'm not rescued, I'm at peace with being stuck in this beautiful area. I have no problems being stuck here. Well, I just wanted to fill you guys in. Have a good one.
Hey guys, it's me again, and I finally found something to eat. So you know those swimming trunks I had? Well, I took them, and I used them to catch some bugs, and then I ate them, and the bugs. So I feel good now, and I've also learned to climb trees and eat birds' nests. It's good. You know, now that I've got a full stomach, I don't mind out here so much. I could live here, I think. And what is that cute animal? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to touch it. Can you guys see this animal? Oh, come here, little guy. Come here. Come here. Oh. No! What have I done? Oh, I just made dinner. Bon appetit.
Hello guys, Austin here. This is day 36 of our obviously extremely long camping adventure, I guess. I am going to look through this backpack. You know, there could be something in here, you never know. Oh, nice, granola bars. Gonna save those later, he will never need them. Alright, let's go.
Hey guys, Gideon here. You know, I thought that having this phone and doing this vlog thing would really help keep me from insanity, but I'm starting to notice something. After a month or more, this phone is only at 87%! How is it staying alive? Why can't I have immortality? It's not fair.
Like, I'm really enjoying this vlog, and I'm just happy that I put those infinity battery apps on mine and Gideon's phones. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this with you people. I mean, this really is something I'm happy about doing. I just wonder if Gideon likes it too. I don't know.
Hey guys, I don't know what day it is, but rabbits are my friends. I hide behind rocks and I jump out and get them with my teeth. And then I tan their hides with my tears. Goodbye.
Alright, everybody. So I decided to leave and search of some new stuff. And on the way, I saw, a domestic cow. And so I decided to rope it, and here it is carrying my phone, so I can have both hands free and don't have to worry about dropping the phone or anything. Oh, and by the way, now that I say that, I found another gun, so if anything happens, I'm definitely ready for it. So that's always a good thing. Shut up, Bessie, we need to keep moving.
I'm back. You know, I've had a really rough time of it. I've been shot, mauled by a bear, attacked by a rabid something, fallen off cliffs, and even worse, I got salmonella from a little birdie I ate. I'm probably gonna die, guys. Wait. Huh, it's a house. It's a house. Well, I'm saved. Oh, it looks nice and homey, actually. I like it. Well, I guess the only thing to do is knock on the door. What a nice little looking place. That looks nice. Hello? Oh my gosh! No!
You, man!
Don't eat me! Stay back!
Everyone, we have made it to what looks to be like some old rickety, rackety shack type thing. I'm not quite so sure, but we're gonna check it out anyways. Let's see what happens. There's some footprints here. I don't know who they belong to. Huh. How weird. Let's take a look at this place. I don't think I want to go in. Come on, Bessie. Well, I guess I'll tune in later when we have something useful to tell you.
Hey guys, in case you didn't see the last thing I posted, or made, I haven't posted these yet, I probably never will. The person living in that house was a cannibalistic murderer. And, he tried to eat me. Luckily, I got away, but yeah, he got me. And I'm back in the woods. I probably only have a few days to live. I can't pull it out. Gideon signing out. Permanently.
Bessie? Bessie? What are you doing, Bessie? Gosh, you're an idiot. Let me tell you, you've been a good cow until this point. Let me tell you, a man's gotta eat. Thank you very much, Bessie. I'm gonna eat like a king tonight.
You know, since I'm gonna die, I thought I might as well take the time to say goodbye to all my friends. And if anyone ever finds this phone and gets this stuff off of it, they can put this on the internet. So, bye, Austin, Jake, Eric. I don't have many friends. Wait, what the heck? I thought I heard something. Did you hear that? Was it another beaver? Oh my gosh, it's him again! What's he doing? What's he doing? I can't run with this knife in the bullet hole in my stomach. He's got another knife. He looks hungry! Ah! Got him!
Made it to this really nice couple's house. A farmer and his wife, you know. It was a really nice place. And so I stopped there and they gave me a nice hot meal and a good cozy bed to sleep in. But then I realized that I couldn't stay there for very long. So I decided to leave, to go for a little walk, you know, maybe clear my head. And look who I found. He's got a knife and you don't need that. So, I know it's been a while since you've seen him, and I thought he died up in the mountains, but I guess not. And so, well, this is our final day here, and we are finally going to be able to go home. This is Austin, signing out.